Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. And I'm all about leveling up your knowledge. So I'm here to help people win with money. And this is one way I do it. Join this Facebook group. It's the Investing 102 group. You see that right here, Investing 102. I help people level up in their thinking. Also, for all you who use a Brave browser, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, there is a different type of browser called Brave. It's built on Google, and you'll see that here. It's built on Chromium. And one thing I like about it is, while you're surfing the web, it you get rewarded. So there is this reward concept where you can get paid from reward. So here you go. You can earn these little thing called BATs, and it's a token that's built on a blockchain, and you see there's some value to it. So what I do is this. I am now, if you look at this here, I am now a verified creator. So you can send me a tip. Use the browser that you earn Brave or BATs, and then once a month, if you tip me a few BATs, I'll be grateful. So today is Wednesday, April 7. We're at week number 14. Markets are just bouncing back and forth between green and red. You see that? And which is fine. I prefer it that way. So let's see. One of the things I want to do is I've been playing Roku for the last 2 weeks. And normally I started on a Thursday and I close it out on a Friday. Today I'm going to do it on a Wednesday. And I'm going to do this because I want to try to capture a little bit more premium for one extra day of risk. Um, but again, I'm playing it very conservative. I'm not trying to make 50 bucks or 100 bucks on this. I'm just trying to take $1,000 every week and try to make an extra 20 bucks on it roughly. That's really the goal of these 1 or 2 day trades. So let's show you how that's done. Here you go. I logged into my E-Trade account and you see I set it up. I'm going to do today is the 7th, as I said. It's going to expire on a Friday. That's 2 days from now. And I have to pick a price. And I don't know what the right price is. So let's show you what I end up doing. I use E-Trade here. This is the Power E-Trade. You punch it in. You select which date you want. So I'm going to select April 9th. So I need to decide what the move is. Today's a dollar move. So what I was thinking is maybe the steam ran out. If you look back in the weekly chart, this week there was a day where it moved up 25 bucks, I believe. But I don't know if you're going to have another $25 move. So one thing I'm looking at is maybe this here. This free 90 strike price is 30 bucks away. It's a 5% chance of happening or a 10 delta. So again, if you're looking at delta strategies, this is what I'm looking at. And I want to look at this, the odds of happening. Now, if I'm wrong, I will know sometime like late tomorrow or maybe Friday morning. But you want to give yourself a little wiggle room. This is still a very safe strategy. 10 delta or a 5% chance of happening is not a high risk strategy. It's a low risk strategy, but I do want to do something like this. And for right now, I'm just going to put $38. I don't think I'll get 38 bucks. I may get somewhere near 27 or 28, but we don't know yet. I'm just going to test this out. So let's put in the trade. And there you go. The trade went across. So here's my data. And you see that I'm going to punch in. Today I got $30. I don't know what I'm going to close it at, but let's just assume I'm going to close it at 5 cents if it all goes in my direction. So let me just fix some of these things here. And so why am I playing this type of strategy? If you can manage it well, you see the rate of return is 2%. And I know what some people say, that's 2% in one day. And I'm not saying you're going to do this every day of your life. That is not feasible or possible. But I do think if you play something like this, you may be right 80% of the time, maybe 85% of the time. And if you manage it well with other strategies, see, this can't be your only strategy. If you're going all in, it's not going to work. The day that you lose, you probably lose more money than you made. But what I'm doing is I don't do this every week. I just do it on some weeks, and I look for times where I think the stock is not going to have a lot of volatility anymore. So I'm going to put this on. I already did it. You can see that this has already been in. I collected my premium. So I may close this for anything. If I close it for 5 cents, you see the value. If I close it for 10 cents, I still make 1% a week because I'm only holding this thing at most 2 days when it expires. But if I hold it for one whole day, I don't need to wait for this 1 penny. So I'm playing the short term. And I get it. There's risk in that. I'm not suggesting that you go all in. But again, I'm doing this because it's $1,000 out of my portfolio. And my other portfolio, I'm doing other strategies. So none of my other strategies are doing short dated options. All my other ones are really boring. They're 45 days to expiration. I wait for the time to decay, and then I manage my position based on how sharply the stock moves, and then I close it and reopen a new position. So I just wanted to show you how small accounts you can do something like this, but I wanted to show you that it's possible. I'm not your financial advisor or planner. I'm not telling you how to invest, just showing you what's possible. And with that being said, hope you doing well. Comment below. Let me know what else you're trading. Let me know if there's a stock that has an even higher IV that you're playing. I may look into it. I may play along with you. Any case, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. Have a profitable day. Bye-bye.